In front of me is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by launching settings and clicking on apps right away. Then scroll all the way down, tap on parallel app over here, and click on the switcher next to one of the supported ones that you wish to clone. In my case, WhatsApp. Then wait, and when it's ready, go back. So now when I try to look for a WhatsApp app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, you can always do that by going back to the same settings and selecting now blue switcher next to your app. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!